The Boblov KJ23 body cam. So on the front you got the lens, the IR lights, the speaker. Back you got the buttons, menu button, right and left to navigate menus, and an OK button to select. On this side you got the mini USB port. You got the buttons for the to record, video record, audio record, and picture taking. On this side you got PTT, some sort of intercom button, the flashlight. You got the laser. On the bottom you got the power button. On the bottom you got looks like electrical contacts, so you can plug it into a docking station. Back you got the screen, the way you mount this. Real quick, the other crap that comes in the box. You got a long shoulder clip. If you use these things, you know it already comes in the box. You got a long clip, you got a short clip, power adapter, mini USB cable, an adapter to plug into your car, and a suction cup mount. So you can mount it, you know, use it as a dash cam if you want. Hooks in. This hooks into your shirt. You hook it in this way, just plugs right in. Okay. You know, up, down. This small one does the same thing. Unhook, hook. You get the idea. Okay, so going into the menu, got the you also got the instruction book, but who uses that? Anyhow, this is a 128 gigabyte version. I believe it comes in 64 gigabytes as well, but this is the 128. Turn it on, power button. Got your display, date, time, all that kind of stuff. You go into the menu, set up the resolution, all that different things. To get out of the menu, you press this button right here. You go down, those kinds of different options you get in there. Motion detection, use it as a security camera if you want. Infrared mode, you can turn that on or off. LCD power save, how long you want the LCD to stay on before shutting off. Save your battery. Power off, how long you want it to stay on before it powers off. You can turn the beeping on or off. Microphone on or off. It's just the volume that it's beeping at. Loop recording. Stealth mode on or off. You could have the LEDs and the sound shut off to record discreetly. You can set up a password, change the password, set the time, language, default setting, format the SD card, firmware version, and that's it. Oh yeah, in the back you got a reset button too, in case it freezes up or anything like that. You just reset it. To play back the files you recorded, just hit the OK button, and you can go into this. You can go videos or photos or voice. You can go into this and you hit play. To go back into the menu, or you know, escape the menu, just hit the second to last button. Let's say you get out of there. You go back into standby mode. Long pressing these buttons. Let's see what they do. Okay, if you long press this, short press it, it turns the light on. Your little light button here. Short pressing this one. Oh, you can go. It plays your files. Short press that one, plays starts playing back your video files. Long pressing it, it shows a little laser light. I would be careful with that. Long pressing it again turns it off. This is the power button. Turns it on and off. On this side, you get the USB charging and data transfer. Transfer your files to your computer, download the files to your computer. Long pressing this, short pressing it, turns the camera on and off. Starts and stops recording. Okay, so long pressing it. Oh, okay, I know. Long pressing it changes the resolution. Okay, so you go to 1440. Then next time you press it, 720. Next time you press it, 848p, 30 frames per second. 480p, 30 frames per second. And then it brings it back to normal. So long pressing this changes the resolution of the video. So long pressing the microphone button. Okay, so it locks the files in place, so you can't erase over them, kind of like a dash cam. Undoing it, it unlocks them. Okay. By the way, I just did something by accident. Long pressing the flash, or the camera, or what do you call this, the flashlight button, turns on and off the infrared. So now you're infrared. And the blue, you see the lights. If I cover the light, you might be able to see it better there. Okay. So then pressing it again turns that back to normal. All right. Alright, so what are we up to? We long press the camera button. Okay, so I like this. Turns on lights and sirens. I like that. Long pressing it again. Long press it again, you just get the lights but no siren. And long pressing it again turns it off. Okay. I like that. When it's charging, you can see a blue light. When it's finished charging, it's just gonna shut off. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, I like this thing a lot. Comparing it with my old KJ23, size comparison. There you go. A little bit bigger. I like this one better though. This one's smaller, this one's bigger. KJ23, KJ23. Boblov. There it is. This is a size comparison. Alright, so yeah. Getting back to this one, good video quality, 1296p. I think it does 1440 too. But yeah, it looks good. Video quality looks good. I had like it was I think 129 off Amazon. Protect yourself with body cams. You never know when you're going to be in a situation where someone might accuse you of something you didn't do, and you have to protect yourself legally. So there you go. If you want to buy it, there'll be a link in the description of this video. All right. Check 1, 2, 3. It's cold out here. 37 degrees, I guess. I don't know. Windy. All the way to the side. Delivered. Delivered. 2. 10 on number 2. Yeah.
How much you need? 20?
10.
10? Take a boss.
Okay, thank you. check, check, 1, 2, 3, testing, 1, 2, 3. This is what the Boblov KJ23 sounds like if you're using it as a dash cam. Thank you. There's no image stabilization on this, so when I edit this footage, I'll see what this looks like. Okay. There's no image stabilization available, I meant to clarify. There's no image stabilization option available in this camera. Okay, we're just walking along. And I'm filming at the same time.